Sock cuff operation tutorial. First, prepare the sock frame and socks. Insert the outer frame into the sock openings. Adjust it to the desired embroidery position, then press it firmly into place. After securing the socks. After the socks were pressed down firmly, stretch it outward and clip it into this groove. That's all it takes. Then we select the No. 10 sock frame. Install the sock frame onto the machine. Choose the sock cuff frame. Mount the clamped sock onto the sock holder. Exit and select the embroidery design you wish to stitch. Choose the embroidery colors. Then select the desired embroidery position. You can see the design moving within the embroidery frame through this display. After selecting the position, exit the menu. Then press Start to begin embroidering.